Welcome, future pharmacists. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the steps to pursue a Bachelor of Pharmacy, popularly known as B.Pharm in India. Whether you're passionate about healthcare, medications, or eager to contribute to the pharmaceutical industry, this guide is your key to unlocking the doors of opportunity. To start this journey, you need a strong educational foundation. Ensure you've completed your 10+2 education with physics, chemistry, and either biology or mathematics as compulsory subjects. Some universities may have additional eligibility criteria, so be sure to check those out. Once you've met the educational requirements, it's time to tackle the entrance exams. In India, several entrance exams open doors to B.Pharm programs. Keep an eye out for common entrance tests, CETs, by states, and some institutes may consider joint entrance examination, JE scores. With your exam scores in hand, the next step is applying to your desired colleges or universities. Most institutions have user-friendly online application processes where you'll submit your academic details and exam scores. After the exams, institutes release merit lists based on the scores. If your name is on the list, you'll be invited to counseling sessions. This is where you get to choose your college and course based on your rank and seat availability. Congratulations! You've selected your dream college. Now, it's time to complete the admission formalities. This may include document verification, submission of fees, and other necessary paperwork. B.Pharm is typically a 4-year undergraduate program. Some institutes might offer an additional 1-year internship, making it a comprehensive 5-year journey. Hands-on experience is crucial in pharmacy. During your B.Pharm, you may undergo a practical training or internship, immersing yourself in real-world pharmaceutical settings. Upon completing your B.Pharm, a plethora of opportunities awaits. You can explore job opportunities in the pharmaceutical industry or opt for higher education such as M.Pharm or other related postgraduate courses. Before we wrap up, remember to stay informed. Keep an eye on admission notifications and exam dates for the institutes you're interested in. And who knows, the next groundbreaking discovery in the pharmaceutical world could be yours. Best of luck on your exciting journey into the world of pharmacy. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. Until next time, stay curious and keep reaching for the stars.